Hey guys, Dragon Slayer here. Today I'm coming back at you with some Black Ops 2 Demolition. So in the last one, I liked this gun, the gun that I picked up that had the grenade launcher, and I said, why not make one? Except I didn't put the grenade launcher on, instead I put a force grip on it. So, I'm just gonna see how it goes. And again, I didn't make a secondary, because I'm a primary gunfighter. And I missed the turn. Go figure. I'm gonna assume they're all over there, and I'm just gonna sit here. And, yep, I was wrong, and he's, yep, and it's deactivated. Yep. Missed the other guy. Secondary. Ah. Well, I just got wasted. Not in a good way either. I'll take that. Yeah. Except it's not zombies, but alright. I'm gonna go to this because I suck at everything else, I guess. Who's next? I'll clean house. Oh. Got him. I'll take that UAV. Really? Oh. Wait. Oh. I'll take that counter UAV. Yeah. How you guys like being blind? No. You going. Cover me, cover me, cover me. Come on, cover me. I'm going for it. Got it. UAV, yeah. Oh, so many grenades. What is it, Grenade Fest? Was that one not go off? Oh, double. Oh! Oh, what? Hi, guys. So many grenades. Headshot. I'm gonna back away. Yep, there we go. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna wait here until I can get the lightning strike and then clear everyone out. Oh, he's just... Yeah. Oh, what? I'm guessing it's the same body? What? How did I miss? How did he miss? We both knife and miss each other. Alright. I got denied. Yeah. Why not? And did you? Get up. Get up. Oh! No! I want my gun, yeah. UAV inbound. Transitioning. Charges set. Alright, let's stick back and just... Can't see anything. Thanks, guys, for... Thanks, guys, for the smoke grenade. Jeez. Oh. What? Oh. Oh, you nasty. You nasty. Well, time for my spray and pray. Oh. Guess what, guys? Oh, what? I missed the grenade and it still works. Oh. Where is everyone? That's the thing. Alright, so there's a guy here. I'm gonna follow you. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Strengthen the numbers. Strengthen the numbers. Oh, please tell me this. I'm gonna plant. Oh, he's really close. If you look. Oh, he's really close. Ah. Alright, please don't deactivate it. Please don't. Oh, it is deactivated, guaranteed.
Bomb deactivated.
Yep. Dang it.
Hostile UAV above. Check your timeline.
Where's that UAV? I want to know how. Okay, cover me. Just cover me. Just cover me. We don't have time. We have like 8 seconds.
Bomb is armed. Enemy combat. UAV on standby. Friendly UAV. Dropped him.
Alright, slow reload. Alright, we might be able to do this. We might just be able to do this. No, my God. No. It's deactivated, ain't it? Yep, it has to be. We've lost. Wait. I thought it said deactivated. Yeah! Yeah!
Good job. Get ready for the next round.
Yeah, alright. All you see is my spraying. Yeah, we almost lost there.
Switching sides. Demolition. Let's go. I should really switch my class to this. So when it comes time, I'll be ready. UAV. What? Oh. Alright. I got my favorite, heavy LMG with a scope on it. Oh. Headshot. Oh. Okay, does someone have like a grenade launcher? Because that's what I'm thinking. Someone has a grenade launcher. Like, they're too grenade happy. My... okay. I just got headshotted with a quick scope. UAV inbound.
Life goals.
UAV on standby.
UAV, come on, give me it.
UAV inbound.
Missed. Oh! 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 What? What happened to the end of his kill cam? Oh. I would like to point out for the record, my feet went in a complete, like, weird fritz, and I was headshot. Do I really have to? Can I just go home? Alright, I'll cover you. Why not? I'll get up behind you two. I'll take a UAV. Hopefully it gives me... Oh! Don't touch the electrical outlet, kids. Oh, please. Yep. Yeah, it just happened. Hostile what? Oh, it's a rat nest. Was he? Yeah. Woo! Wait, what? Oh, come on. Clutch moments, really? Cover me. Oh, I'm so dead. I'm not. Wow. And for the win. Oh, I was almost gonna have last kill. Next round. Oh, don't tell me. Arrow to the knee. Oh. Great.
Demolition. Neutralize the objective.
Great. I'll take that UAV though.
Friendly UAV inbound.
Is everyone not at here? No, they're here. Oh, they're all over here. Why not? Let's go.
Charges set.
Nope.
UAV on standby.
Not in my house.
Counter UAV.
Ah, I was just sniped, wasn't I? Yep. Come on. Let them both go off. Or at least one.
On me. Friendly UAV inbound.
Ah, I wasn't even a grenade. But how? Why? Tell me.
UAV above.
GG! 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 You kidding me? No. No. No.